it's Pat McGrew with Inkish, and I am with Devetta James from Smurf at Westrock. And wow, wait till you hear this story. So, Devetta, um, you've had an interesting journey, and the first thing I'd like to share with everyone is what your journey has been to get you into a converting company that is known around the world.
Yes. So I am new to the converting company. I've been with the company for about 3 years, but prior to that, I was in the healthcare industry for almost 25 years. So it was definitely a transition from one industry to another, but it has been so much fun learning about converting facilities, print, presses, and all the things that come with the converting company.
Would you recommend going into that area for young women who are trying to figure out what their next journey should be?
Absolutely. There is so much to offer in the converting space and in the packaging space as a whole. They're consumers for everything, right? And so there's so many different avenues, corrugated, converting, paper mills. There are tons of different types of jobs within the industry that are available, and women would definitely be successful in this industry.
How did you make that transition? Because healthcare is a pretty complex environment. It has all of its own rules and regulations and all sorts of governmental things, but packaging does as well. You've got to kind of come up to speed fast. What was your path to come up to speed?
My path to come up to speed was just asking a lot of questions, using the knowledge that I had from my previous experiences and try to relate it to some of the processes and the operations that are in this industry. And believe it or not, operations is operations, whether you're making a widget or you're distributing a widget or you're providing a service as a widget, some of the fundamental things are the same. So that allowed me to leverage those skill sets and really be open to learning new things and how it pertains to this industry.
So, what's your best advice to a 19-year-old young woman who is kind of standing on the precipice trying to decide, you know, do I go become a computer programmer? Do I go become a graphic artist? Or do I look for something different in the industry?
I think you go with what your passion is. And you have to understand the opportunity. A lot of people think about print and they probably think about operators and machine, but there's tons of opportunity. So go out there and see what is available that in the industry, which there are all different levels: engineers, continuous improvement, black belts, green belts, business operations, financial. It is all available in this industry and it's all applicable to make this industry run. So I say go for it.
Devetta, thanks so much for the advice. I think it's going to be useful to everyone who listens.
Thank you.